Hey everybody, this is Pastor Larry.
And Pastor Tiz.
And we just want to bring you 1 minute of a word of encouragement. You know, as we're facing all that's going on, we were talking last night and we thought about the word from the book of Joshua that we got when we first found out that Lion had gotten sick. And of course, we all know how well that came out. God did a miracle for him that no one had ever seen before in a child. And whenever you see or hear of a miracle in somebody else's life, it's because you're next.
Amen.
That miracle that we got for Lion is a sign that God is going to do a miracle for you in your health and in your finances.
Absolutely.
The word we got, if you remember, Joshua and the children of Israel had just come out of the desert. And Joshua sees for the first time the walls of Jericho. And the walls were huge. They looked impossible. But as Joshua was looking at this impossible task in front of him, he sees a man with the sword drawn. And when he sees this man, he says to him, in the way it reads in Hebrew is, are you here to fight for us? Are you here to fight against us? And the man says, and you read it in Hebrew, it's much more powerful. The man says, neither. I'm not going to fight for you. I'm not going to fight with you. I'm not going to fight against you. I'm here to take the battle on myself. Now, they still had to walk around the walls of Jericho. Lion still had to go through treatment. Tiz still had to go through treatment. We still need to wash our hands and be careful. But I'm telling you, the walls that look impossible are coming down, and they're coming down soon.
Amen.
So from Pastor Larry,
Pastor Tiz,
remember, the walls are coming down,
right.
and your best is yet to come.
That's right.
We'll talk to you tomorrow.